Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a very interesting set of headphones. Of course, YouTube reviews for headphones are very based because you cannot demonstrate the sound quality in any kind of way, so it will be just my word telling you, wow, this sounds extremely well, or they sound very bad. So it's not going to be like that. I'm not going to tell you how good they sound or how bad they sound, but I'm going to show you something really interesting. So these headphones are not very expensive, but they are truly dual drive headphones, and I'm going to tell you what's that about. But looking also at the box, this is interesting. This is the red dot design, but there's no mention about that. I don't know if it's real or just they put the logo here just to get more attention. So they come in a nice plastic box, travel box, so that's a big plus because you get to use this, and it's not that type of box that will break on the first usage because it actually has hinges, so it will not break. So you can open this a million times and it will not break in half. Right, so inside you are going to get a plastic bag, and the contents of course are the headphones. And in the bag you get another bag with different type of soft silicone adapters, smaller one, medium ones, larger ones. So it's good that it will accommodate different type of ears and sizes. And they also come with a small clip, and you can use them to clip on your shirt or something like that. Right. The cable is also very nice. It's a very soft silicone type of cable, and it's not that flat nonsense cable that gets really messed up. So this should not tangle as bad as some other earphones do. Another nice thing here is the controller. You have a slider volume and a small button, and of course they have a microphone built in, so you can also use them with your mobile phone to answer calls and place calls, which is a big plus. So they are not only headphones, but they also are kind of headset, hands-free type headphones. Now going to the headphones themselves, this is not only the design of a dual drive. Dual drive means that it has not one speaker inside, but actually two speakers. And if you look closely on this side, you can see the two speakers enclosed in there. So they have a common chamber where they produce sound, and the sound there is reflected to the duct here that will bring the sound into your ear. Advantage of this, because it uses two different speakers, it can create more powerful sound, and they can tune the speakers, one for lower frequencies and one for higher frequencies, so they can generate better sound. And yes, I did test them into my ears, and they sound much better than single drive headphones. So yes, they do sound better, and it's my word that I'm telling you about them. So that was my quick presentation. I highly recommend them because they sound great. You can use them with your mobile phone for calls. They come with this nice case, and you can adapt them to different ear types. They have good quality cable, they have volume sliders, so a lot of pluses for this type of model of headphones. So until my next video, see you and bye bye.